homeowners had had a koi pond for years and years and years, much more of a DIY style build that they had. But when they were moving to the foothills of East Tennessee and Maryville, they knew that they wanted a one-of-a-kind custom koi pond that was as little maintenance as possible. So we are going to walk you guys through these homeowners' journeys from the moment they gave us a call here at Modern Design Aquascaping to the time that we brought their dreams into fruition, from the design changes, advanced filtration, and a large-scale customized koi pond so that their fish would have room to grow for the years to come. After living with a pond for as many years as these homeowners had, they knew a lot of stuff that was a non-negotiable for them to have, and they also knew a lot of stuff that they did not want to have in their water feature. So we're going to hit some of those bullet points. The non-negotiables for these guys, they really wanted some intense water flow. They wanted some serious waterfalls falling down towards their viewing areas. They wanted to take away some of the road noise. They also wanted to have a koi pond that was big enough and deep enough for herons and birds of predators to not actually be able to take their fish, as well as something that their fish could grow into, that they could have an abundance, more fish than they did. They were 100% clear that they wanted 100% clear water. So upgraded filtration systems were built into this pond, as well as they wanted huge rocks. They had experimented with their small pond in the past. They had it a little under filtered and it was a ton of maintenance, as well as small rocks that were constantly shifting when you got close to the water feature or tried to do anything in there and would have to be put back into place. So they wanted this thing to be permanent. So we actually came in with boulders over 6,000 pounds on this build and upgrade the filtration to where these guys, all they have to do is put in their products and fill the pond once a week. It's less than 5 minutes, but these guys had been watching our YouTube, they've been watching our Facebook, all of our social media channels. They had been watching all of those for quite some time, and walking through the nitty-gritties, all of those crazy details and the how-tos is actually what sold them on our company in the first place. That was awesome. But if you combo the giant boulders, the extra deep pond, the upgraded filtration for the ease of maintenance, this thing has been crystal clear since it was installed. It's been well over a year at this point in 2025, and they have done nothing but enjoy this thing instead of work on it. So having a pond, and even if it's a DIY build, you figure out so many different things that you might want or that you might not want if you were ever to repeat the process. And sometimes it's worth doing yourself, sometimes it's worth hiring the professionals to do and to bring that stuff into fruition. So that's exactly what these guys did. So really going into the design concept of this pond, it was a blank canvas when we had arrived, and these homeowners, they were gracious enough to give us carte blanche and artistic freedom on this hillside to be the visionaries. Based off the videos that I had seen, it had instilled so much trust that our design crazy selves could actually piece something together that was potentially better than they could ever think of inside that area. So with the upgraded filtration systems, the advanced waterfalls, the upped water flow, the deeper pond, really scaping out this hillside to where they had something that looks like the house was built right up to it. That was something that was the most important thing to them, and they knew what they wanted before they had ever even called. So when it comes to designing your water feature, especially if it's going to be one that you don't ever want to have to redo, you don't want to have any regrets, and definitely doing your research to make sure that the pond that you get is the exact pond that you want, and any surprises are good ones at the end. So if you guys are having trouble with the inspiration of that, you're looking for ideas, and you don't know what you're going to be getting into potentially because you haven't owned one here, give us a call at Modern Design Aquascaping. We would be so happy to walk you through and help you on your water feature journey to make sure that you get exactly what you're looking for.